Gwen Stefani and Gavin Rossdale's divorce has reportedly been making it impossible to raise their children together, according to new explosive claims. Gwen Stefani and Gavin Rossdale separated in 2015, with their divorce being finalized in 2016, after tying the knot in 2002 in London. But according to new incendiary claims, the former couple could be struggling to co-parent their 3 sons, Kingston, 16, Zuma, 14, and Apollo, 9 in harmony. The source alleged the 3 boys are suffering due to Rossdale making it impossible to share parenting duties with his ex-wife. The insider said, Gavin continues to make it impossible to co-parent with Gwen Stefani, and their 3 kids are suffering, the unnamed source added to Radar. According to the source, Rossdale has been giving Stefani mixed signals, such as telling her that she looks really pretty and that it just messes with Gwen's head. They also alleged that the Bush star has not made an attempt to establish a relationship with his son's stepdad, Blake Shelton, who Stefani married in 2021 either. The source claimed that it's really strange and that the kids are always stuck in the middle, and it's truly sad. The insider alleged that Stefani wanted to move to Shelton's ranch in Oklahoma where they are all the happiest, but the source claimed that Rossdale won't allow it. Stefani spoke to Elvis Duran about her bad breakup with Rossdale during a radio interview in New York back in 2015, as she described the split as an explosion in her life. Stefani told the radio DJ about how her crumbling marriage turned her year into a horrible one as it came as a shock to her. The No Doubt star said, "I got a divorce, which was completely not in the plan at all. I don't know. For me, it surely wasn't a shock, a horrible, crazy year and explosion in my life," she explained. Explaining how she managed to cope, Stefani said, "At that time, I wanted to go in and write. I just wanted to be in my bed crying and do what you do when life falls apart. Anyways, I went to the studio, and I was convinced that I had to make something out of this."